In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate the mobile menu in the Wix editor. To get started, open your website inside the Wix editor using the Chrome browser. This is important because using the recommended browser can help the editor load properly and make sure all of the interface tools appear as expected. Once your site is open, give the page a moment to fully load so everything in the editor is visible and responsive before you move on. When you're inside the editor, look toward the top area of the screen for the option that lets you change your site view. You'll want to click the switch to mobile icon. This changes the editor from the desktop layout to the mobile layout, which is where you can manage elements that are specifically shown or arranged for mobile visitors. Make sure you actually see the mobile version of the page before continuing, since the next item you're looking for is tied to that view. After you switch to mobile, move your attention to the left side of the screen. In the left navigation bar, click the Layers panel. The Layers panel is useful because it gives you a structured list of the items on the page, making it easier to find specific elements without needing to click around the canvas. This can be especially helpful if multiple items overlap or if something is difficult to select directly from the page preview. Once the Layers panel is open, look through the list until you find the item labeled Mobile Menu. Depending on how your site is organized, you may need to scan carefully through the listed elements, but it should appear within the mobile page structure. Finding it here allows you to identify the menu element directly and prepare for any edits or checks you need to make next inside the mobile layout. As a quick tip, if the list seems crowded, take your time and read each layer name carefully rather than rushing through it. The Layers panel is designed to help you work more precisely, so using it is often the fastest way to locate hidden or hard to click items. That's it. Once you've opened your site in the Wix editor through Chrome, switch to the mobile view